inspired you too. And you are inspired. You inspired us too. English. You speak English ka.
Ano ang sabihin ko siya in English?
Kasi sabihin ko, tulungan kita. You translate in English this, ha?
Okay.
Gusto kong lumabas at maglibang.
Ako, translate ko. I want to go outside
At maglibang.
and enjoy.
Wow!
Maglibang?
Maglibang.
Maglibang is enjoy?
Yes.
Oh, maglibang.
In English it.
I want to go out and also enjoy. Like that.
In Bisaya, maglibang is tae.
Tae? Tae?
Bisaya, you never know. Malibang sa kuma.
Oh, I see.
Okay, one more time. Huwag mong sabihin sa kanya. Huwag mong sabay na lang kayo magsalita para hindi siya magaya kayo. Gusto kong baliin ang katawan ko.
I want to good body, like that.
I want to...
Nice katawan.
Ano yun?
I want to nice body.
I want to...
A good body, like that.
Gusto kong baliin ang aking katawan.
I want to... Ano yung baliin?
I want to woke up my body.
Broke up?
Woke up.
Work out.
Work out.
No, work out. Baliin yung...
I want to...
Baliin mo yung katawan mo yung lawas. Babaliin mo ba? Gano'n mo. Anong English nyo? Hindi nyo alam. Nasa ilalim ng kama. Ang English nyo.
Yung baliin.
Scratch!
Yun, scratch. I want to scratch my body.
Scratch.
Okay, one more time. Gusto kong tumakbo at sumigaw.
Sumigaw.
Sigaw mo nga yung sigaw.
Biglang madilim sa labas.
Hindi nyo alam ang sigaw? Ay, naku.
Kalimutan ko na.
Ako din. Sumigaw. What's that? What is that?
Shout.
Shout.
Oh.
I want to
shout.
shout.
Gusto ko lumabas at sumigaw.
I want to go
Out
outside
and
and
then
shout.
I want to shout in the outside.
Yun.
I want to shout in the outside.
Gusto kong mambugbog.
I want to...
Mangbugbog. What is mangbugbog?
Hindi
Away-away?
Oo.
Like
Tapos na very many,
suntok-suntok like that.
Bugbog. Anong English ng bugbog?
Bugbog.
Pick up.
Ruin.
No.
Ruin.
I want to ruin your life.
I want to ruin your life.
I want to ruin life.
Bugbog, ha?
Bugbog.
Okay.
Sila pareho na pala.
Beat.
Hog and...
Beat. Ganun, beat pala. Gusto ko... Ay, hindi na gusto ko. Ano, iba na. Para matuto kayo mag-English ba? Kailangan mabilis kayo, ha? Ay, ganyan kayo. Kung sino pinakaunang ganon, ako ang magkana. Who is the first like that will be the winner. Okay?
Okay.
Will be the first to say the English. Tulungan mo ako, mamamatay na ako! Tulungan mo ako, mamamatay. I-construct nyo muna. Tulungan nyo ako, mamamatay na ako!
Help me.
Yes?
I need to do something because if I don't do that, I will dead. Like that. No.
Tulungan mo ako, mamamatay na ako. You said I need something because if I didn't do that, I will dead.
Yeah, like that.
Alam ko na. Help me, I'm going to hell. Ay, mali. Ano? Ay, dead!
Okay! Ano kayong XXXX? The right answer is, help me, I'm gonna die. Ano ba yun? I'm going to hell? I'm going to death. Ano yun?
Going to hell.
Help me, I'm gonna die.
Patay tayo dyan.
Okay, one more time. X-Pop, Seichi, 0 point. Bigal, 0 point. Okay, one more time. Ay, ang sakit! Yes?
Pain. So pain. Very feel sakit pain. Yeah. Right? Pain.
So your answer is pain, very pain.
So it's very
Yes?
Ano yung ano?
Ay, ang sakit!
feel pain.
Not pain.
Ouch!
Like ouch.
It's hurt!
Very good!
Yes!
May 1 point na si Bigal.
Oh.
Seichi, 0 point. Seichi, you can do it. Seichi, isipin mo, Seichi. Huwag mo isipin, mahirap talaga kasi English, no? Mahirap talaga English, no? Isipin mo, ouch! Aray! Ouch! It hurts. Ganon. Ha? Okay.
Sakit.
Okay, pwede ka pang lumaban, Seichi?
Yun.
No. Seichi, bilisan mo sa pagano na. Bigal, you can do it. Very good. You doing well. Next English is... Wow! Ang sarap! Yes, Seichi.
Very delicious.
Wow! Seichi, you got the right answer. Bigal, maybe next time. 1 point Bigal, 1 point Seichi. Go! Ito Ang init! Yes?
It's so hot.
You have to make it faster like that. Seichi, 2 points. Bigal, 1 point. Pwede pa kayo bumabaw. Go. Tulungan mo ko sa mga English, ha?
Sige.
Kaming dalawa?
Patay.
We will continue our
Patay.
English
our last
language.
English language.
Sandali. May magic kami.
Ano?
Oh.
Upo.
Ganahin mo. Upo. Ganahin mo yung kamay mo. Balance. Ayusin mo. Kasi ito balance.
Hindi ba ayos ang kamay ko? Hindi mo ayos.
Okay, balance. Balance ha?
Uy! Kasi alam mo yung kamay ko, hindi kasi impuan ko eh.
Medyo pangat-angat mo.
Magic ha? Balance. Okay. Kuya.
Let's go, guys!
Bye-bye.
Kuya! Okay na mo, kuya! Kuya, okay na! Bye-bye!
You always give it to me! You want English? I will show you more English.
Thank you. Salamat.
Talaga?
Kuya.
Here comes the